Well, welcome back. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Tom and I buy and sell cars for a living. Today is Friday. Today was big sale day. Right here I bought this 2003 Honda Odyssey minivan. I paid very little for this van, but it needs a little bit of work. It's going to have a wheel burn and it is filthy on the inside. We've already started cleaning it. Check this out. Power door. That works. The other side's the same and it actually works too. The little van will clean up pretty decent. It's got leather, has a DVD player and stuff. It'll clean up okay. And to close it, you just do like so. Amazing, isn't it? But it does have to have a wheel burn on it. I've already got it off, charging the battery there a little bit. But we're going to put a wheel burn on it. Already ordered the part. It shall be here in the morning. And we ordered the part to fix the Audi Q7. I don't know if y'all have seen it or not. We're going to walk down here and look at it right quick. If I have some footage to upload of the auction today, but I don't know if I can get it to work or not. I'm not having no luck with my GoPro. GoPro? GoPro. There we go. Here's the King Ranch again. Hooked up to the trailer. The trailer might be going up for sale before long. I'm trying to find a rollback. But I don't know. I sort of like my trailer. And I wouldn't use a rollback that much, so I'll probably just keep my trailer. But you never know. If I could find a good deal on one, something I could use and make some money on, or make money with, like hauling for other dealers and hauling to and from auctions, I would probably do that. Anyway, here's the King Ranch. Very good truck. Let's see here. Might as well just start right here, and then I'll get down to the Q7 and we'll take a small look at it. And I'm also going, right up there's the Mini. Hopefully I'll have an alternator for it the first of the week and I can get it back together and get it sold. It's a good car. Right here is the GMC Denali 2008. And right here is the BMW. It's a 2001 X5. It has a 4.4i engine in it. Right here is my 05 Lariat Super Crew 4-wheel drive. It's got right at 200,000 miles on it, but it's still a good truck. And it's affordable. Right there you go. And right here is a very nice truck. This is a 04 Lariat extended cab. And I want you to look, it don't have no rust on this truck. It is solid. The interior, besides where I've been driving it, it doesn't look like it's been set in. It has I think it has 174,000 miles on it. Right here is the Q8, or 7, excuse me. I just bought it. That's what, it's got me sort of, there's a noise. Sounds like the idler tension pulley. So I ordered one. Hopefully that's what it is. It just does it. Like it sat here and idle for almost an hour today and never made no noise. And then after about an hour, it started doing it a little, and a little more. So finally, when you drive it, you can mash on it, and as the RPMs goes up, it quietens down. I hope that's what it is. Right here, the Q7 is. Oh, just broke my damn toe. Right there's a good shot of the King Ranch. Hooked up to the trailer. Oh, maybe. Yeah, there she is. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to try to do the videos on a regular basis, like every other day. I bought a GoPro. I thought it would be a lot easier than using the camera and the stuff I have now, but it's a pain to upload it. Excuse me, to my laptop. And right here's the interior of the King Ranch. My wife has some clothes she's donating in the back. And as you can see, there's no rust on this frame anywhere. Just a little bit of surface rust is it. And when I get it done driving it and get it ready to sell, I'll detail it and I'll paint the frame gloss black. And we'll go from there. But anyway, I've got a couple of questions. The Audi, the noise. If any of y'all out there have any idea what that noise is or could be besides the idler pulley bracket, the idler tension bracket, I guess is what it is. It's idler tension bracket. Yeah, that's what it is. So let me know. And until tomorrow, I'm going to try to do, I'll do a little video of us putting the wheel bearing back in the Honda van. And I've also got to put a fuel pressure switch, or a oil pressure switch, and the Denali went bad on me. So I'll do a video of installing it on a 6.2. I've seen plenty of them on the 5.3, installing it on the 5.3, but just not have the 6.2. So I'll do a video of that. Again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.